Hello and welcome to Credit B presents RCB 12th Man TV. The first two ODIs had produced run fests, and while the series finale promised another thriller, it finished in a blink of an eye. Bowlers delivered handsomely as Team India ended an 11-year-long drought since March 2011 for an ODI series win against the Proteas at home in the nation's capital. Eight wickets shared by the spinners. Visitors bundled out for less than 100. It was home dominance at its very best. And here are our top three takeaways. At number 3, Siraj makes key breakthroughs with the new ball again. Mohammad Siraj has only played 12 ODIs in 2022. In these 12 games, he's managed to pick up at least one wicket inside the first 10 overs of an innings. In 9 of them. In the final ODI, it was Miabai once again who triggered the South African downfall with 2 crucial wickets inside the first 10 overs. The consistency with which Siraj has managed to make inroads with the new ball could well make him a key figure come the ODI World Cup at home next year. A Player of the Series award for the fast bowler in Indian conditions. Now that's how you leave a mark, isn't it?
These are really nice, bro. Thanks a lot for the gift.
यार ये तो मेरे लिए था. अब एक और लेने के पैसे नहीं है.
ये ले और यहाँ से 10 मिनट में लोन ले.
Credit B. Loans anytime, anywhere.
At number 2, Shubman Gill makes the chase a cakewalk. Isn't it just a joy to watch the ball race off Gill's bat with the millisecond perfect timing? He looked in full flow in the second ODI but was cut short by a blinder of a cotton ball by Rabada. With 100 to chase in the final game, Gill made it a point to knock off most of those runs. A fluent 49, falling with the team just needing 3 runs more. Gill is looking more and more at home in the ODI format for Team India. And at number 1, Indian spinners make South Africa sweat. The Indian spin bowling contingent had plenty to play for in the series. Kuldeep Yadav hoping to become a regular starter again, Washington Sundar making a comeback into the team, and Shahbaz Ahmed taking his first steps in international cricket. And in the final ODI, all of them delivered. Washi made the key breakthrough of Quinton de Kock. In his first couple of overs, Shahbaz picked up 2 crucial wickets of the men in form for the visitors, Aiden Markram and the destructive Henrik Larsson. And Kuldeep Yadav polished off numbers 7 to 10. Come the World Cup next year, there will be plenty of competition among the Indian spinners for a spot in the final 15. It was a fitting end to the series as the highest run getter Shreyas Iyer finished it off with a quality 6. Winning an ODI series at home from 1 down against a Protean side that was playing for crucial qualification points ahead of the ODI World Cup next year was as impressive as it could get. Winning is a habit, they say, and winning in conditions where the World Cup is scheduled to happen next year will be mighty pleasing for the men in blue.